Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Are you tired of taking your car to the mechanic for every little check engine light? Do you want to take control of your car's health and diagnose problems yourself? Then the Ancel FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 scanner might be the perfect tool for you. In this video, we'll do a deep dive into the FX4000, exploring its features, functionalities, and how it can empower you to become your own car doctor. Also, Ancel OBD2 Scanner FX3000 Elite Code Readers Scan Tools. So, let's get started. The Ancel FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner is a powerful and versatile tool for anyone who wants to take charge of their car's maintenance. It empowers you to diagnose problems, perform reset services, and ultimately save time and money. Let's talk about some advanced key features on Ancel FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner. Full system diagnostics. Unlike basic scanners that only read engine codes, the FX4000 goes beyond. It can diagnose a wide range of vehicle systems, including ABS anti-lock braking system, senior's airbag, transmission, TPM's tire pressure monitoring system, and more. This gives you a complete picture of your car's health. 3 powerful reset services. The FX4000 isn't just a diagnostic tool. It also offers 3 helpful reset functions including EPB reset, oil service reset, ABS bleeding, OBD2 functionality. Of course, the FX4000 tackles standard OBD2 diagnostics. Read and interpret engine trouble codes, view live data streams, and monitor key engine parameters to pinpoint issues quickly. Wide vehicle coverage. Worried about compatibility? The FX4000 supports a vast range of American, European, and Asian vehicles that comply with the OBD2 protocol after 1996. Plus, with lifetime free software updates, you'll always have the latest diagnostic capabilities for new car models. User-friendly design. The FX4000 features a clear and intuitive interface. A bright color display and easy-to-navigate buttons make it user-friendly, even for beginners. By owning the Ancel FX4000, you gain several advantages. Save money, diagnose and fix minor car issues yourself, potentially avoiding expensive mechanic visits. Peace of mind. Stay informed about your car's health and proactively address problems before they become major. Confidence on the road. Knowing your car's condition gives you peace of mind during long drives or unexpected situations. Here are some pros and cons of the Ancel FX4000's a feature-rich OBD2 scanner. Pros: wide vehicle coverage. Reads and diagnoses a wide range of fault codes. Relatively user-friendly interface. Affordable compared to some professional scanners. Reset services. Cons: limited to OBD2 compliant vehicles. Not a professional tool. Software update challenges. Limited repair guidance. Overall, the Ancel FX4000 is a great choice for DIY car enthusiasts and weekend mechanics who want to diagnose and fix common car problems. Its user-friendly interface, wide functionality, and reset services make it a valuable tool. However, if you're a professional mechanic needing advanced diagnostics or your car isn't OBD2 compliant, you might need a more sophisticated scanner. If you're interested in learning more about the Ancel FX4000 Professional Full System OBD2 Scanner, check out the links in the description below. Are you tired of staring at a check engine light with no idea what's wrong? Then the Ancel FX3000 Elite OBD2 scanner might be your new best friend. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything this scanner can do to help you diagnose and fix problems with your car. The Ancel FX3000 Elite OBD2 scanner. This scanner goes beyond just reading basic engine trouble codes. It's a powerful tool that can help you diagnose issues across various systems in your car. The Ancel FX3000 Elite is a handheld scanner that plugs directly into your car's OBD port, usually located under the dashboard. It retrieves data from your vehicle's computer system, allowing you to identify problems and potentially fix them yourself. Here are some key features on Ancel FX3000 Elite OBD2 Scanner. OBD functions. Advanced System Diagnosis. transmission, ABS, seniors, special service functions, oil service light reset, EPB, SAS, ABS bleeding, battery registration. Let us see how to use Ancel FX3000 Elite OBD2 scanner. This scanner is a great choice for DIY mechanics who want to maintain and repair their own vehicles, car enthusiasts who want to understand their car's performance better, anyone who wants to avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic shop. While the Ancel FX3000 Elite offers advanced features, it might not be able to diagnose all complex issues. For those, a professional mechanic with high-end diagnostic tools might be necessary. Before using any of the special service functions like EPB reset or ABS bleeding, always consult your car's manual for compatibility and proper procedures. Here are some pros and cons of the Ancel FX3000 Elite OBD2 scanner. Pros and cons. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, reads and diagnoses a wide range of fault codes, relatively user-friendly interface, battery registration, multifunctionality. Cons: limited to OBD2 compliant vehicles, depth of diagnosis, cost-effective. Overall, the Ancel FX3000 Elite seems like a good option for DIY car enthusiasts who want a user-friendly scanner with some advanced features beyond basic code reading. However, if you're on a tight budget or need a very in-depth diagnosis, a more basic scanner or a professional mechanic might be a better option. If you're interested in learning more about the Ancel FX3000 Elite OBD2 scanners, check out the links in the description below. Let's compare two. Ancel FX3000 and FX4000 are both OBD2 scan tools. The FX3000 is a more affordable scanner than the FX4000 if you are a dear or occasional mechanic who needs to diagnose basic engine, transmission, ABS, and seniors problems. The FX3000 is a good option. If you are a professional mechanic or someone who needs to diagnose a wider range of vehicle problems, the FX4000 is a better option. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.